Are you done with your yogurt? Show me your spoon. Show me your spoon and show me you're all done. It's all gone? Let me see. Let me see. Hold it up so I can see it. Yeah, hold it up so I can see it. Is it done? Are you all done? Let me see. Let me look in there and see. How much of it did you actually eat? Let me see your face. Did you get it on your face? Let me see your face. Oh, okay. Well, you did a good job. You did a good job, Mr. Man. Your mom will be so proud of you. Yeah. See, you don't need us to feed you anymore. You do a good job. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, no, you don't need to hold that. Give me a kiss. Blow me a kiss. Oh, give me a kisses. Give me a kisses. Oh, yeah, you would love to touch this, wouldn't you? All right, now you're going crazy. I just want to look at this tray. Let me look at this tray. Let me look. Let me look. Don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch. Hmm. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. I love you.